How do I get an empty list of any size in Python? I basically want a Python equivalent of this array in C. But in Python I declare an array like. And the problem is I want to assign random slots with values like. But I can't do that with Python, since the Python list is empty, of length 0.
If by array you actually mean a Python list, you can use or. You can't do exactly what you want in Python, if I read you correctly. You need to put values in for each element of the list, or as you called it, array. But, try this. For lists of other types, use something besides 0. None is often a good choice as well.
You can use NumPy. Example from empty array.
Also you can extend that with extend method of list.